down to Lebanon, Missouri, where Bryce is at, and they want me to hook up to a tractor already. Yeah, this is what happened. They just show up. Send it. Damn, son. Okay. Okay. Little squirt she is. And Bryce again loses his keys to the truck. I want to bet $1. Door's unlocked at least. What? Hold on. Do you think he's faking it so he doesn't have to pull?
Oh, 100%. He's backing out on us. He signed me up. Now he's going to chicken out.
And I'm not going to chicken out.
No.
You made it. It's a light bitch.
What's the way?
6,910.
Two very boring minutes later. Three days later. One week later. One eternity later. PM.
Oh, I can see the fire extinguisher. Oh, God. All that pretty red powder coat. You almost went to jail.
I did. Thought I was. I literally said, are you guys going to cuff me and stuff me, or can I go home? He said, go home. So, I'm going to do some more hood rat shit. Drag it home, Kevin. This thing's gonna be a burning.
Check everything. I had double checked these on these already, but oh no. This is pretty wild.
Oh, damn. Is it good?
I just wanted to make sure it's good before. As you already seen, we put the super singles on the 22. It doesn't turn. So I got 35s from Venom. We're gonna stick on this truck. So in fashion, we had to burn our tires off, and we kind of forgot when we started tearing it apart. So we put it as a single wheel and did a big burnout, which you'll see. Yeah, my exhaust tip got shredded with rubber. Oh my God, there's so much rubber. Hey, at least it's limited and you can't rust, right?
Now cut to the part where Kevin does the burn. Where'd Kevin go? Oh, there's Kevin. Ah! I'm coming, guys! Ah! He's still going! God damn! Sir?
How was it raining?
69 out of 69.
It's been a minute since I posted. I've been super busy with all this stuff going on. As you already seen in the video, we put it on wides, put it on 37s, we pulled it, a couple other things we did with it, and we already had to put a new set of tires on it. It's the third set of tires on this truck in less than a month. So yeah, put it on 35s now, Venoms. We're gonna see how this one runs. The tires haven't been balanced for like a month.
Oh, about
like 2 weeks actually,
yeah.
But yeah. And we drove all the way home from Tennessee and it was horrible. But it's almost done for now. As you guys all probably seen in the social media world, my big truck is for sale. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. Maybe out of the trucks, maybe not, can't really tell you yet. But I have plans. And selling the big truck will make them happen. If it doesn't sell, guys, we'll go beat on it some more and have fun with it.